Okay, here's a quick video showing you how to use our Muji pencil sharpener. Get your pencil, squeeze the top two buttons right at the top. Open it a little bit, enough to get the pencil in, just like so. Hold the pencil sharpener steady and crank away. You'll get a really, really beautiful sharp point. Then when you're ready to take it out, squeeze them and out it comes. There you go, that's a sharp point. Now, here's how you empty out the shavings when you're ready to do that. And now, when you get a pencil point stuck in the back, unscrew the handle, look inside till you find the piece of pencil stuck in there and pry it out. And then you can put it back on and tighten it and you're ready to go again. Again, here it is. We take something sharp to go inside there, just to get rid of that annoying bit of broken off pencil that makes it impossible to sharpen. And once you get rid of that though, you're good to go again. These pencil sharpeners are really strong and last a long time.